Ciao a tutti! Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope everything is great today. Okay, today we're going to be still talking about pronouncing correctly Italian words. We're going to focus on the words that have either at the beginning or inside the letter Z, la Z. So it can be a single Z or a double Z, okay? I know that sometimes it can be tricky to pronounce these words correctly. A full video on how you pronounce those is available on my website at italianlanguagehub.com inside the pronunciation course. If you are curious to check that out, you can do so. Little hint, if you subscribe to my free course, you get a discount to the pronunciation course, but don't tell anybody. Shh. Okay, so how is this exercise going to work? I'm going to list more than 20 words that have this sound inside of them. I will say them twice. I suggest that you listen the first time and you try to say it with me the second time, okay? Some of them are common words, some of them are not so common, but that's the fun thing, right? You're learning and you're leveling up your Italian as you are learning to pronounce things correctly, okay? Now, I have to tell you that I will be reading the words from my iPad because I cannot remember 20 plus words by heart. I'm old, okay? And plus, I don't have my teleprompter with me with my new simplified layout. And so sometimes you might see me reading, and what I'm reading is simply the words, okay? So bear with me. Let me know how this goes and let me know if there are some words that were super easy or super hard for you to say. If you have more words that are tricky for you, let me know in the comments. I will make a video on those words as well, okay? Here we go. Zaino, zaino, zanzara, zanzara, struzzo, struzzo, zodiaco, zodiaco, descrizione, descrizione, prozia, prozia, bellezza, bellezza, grazie, grazie, zebra, zebra, organizzazione, organizzazione. I know, it's a tricky one. Say it one more time. Organizzazione. Lezione, lezione. Zafferano, zafferano. Equinozio, equinozio. Bazar, bazar. Zorro, zorro. Eccezione, eccezione. Calzini, calzini. Liquirizia, liquirizia. Viuzza, viuzza. Merluzzo, merluzzo. Gazebo, gazebo. pazzia, pazzia, dazio, dazio. Okay, so these were the words that we are going to review today. If you want the full list, you can go to my blog at italianlanguagehub.com and you can find the full list there. So if you need to, for any reason, copy and paste it, you can do so by grabbing it on my blog. The full rules of the Z sound are found in my pronunciation course, so jump to that if you're interested. And let me know what you think of this video and if you need help on any other sound, okay? Just write it in the comments or write me an email, okay? This is it for today. Ci vediamo presto. Un bacio, ciao!